Every night, without fail, something extraordinary happens inside your head. You close your eyes, drift into unconsciousness, and then you embark on an odyssey. You might fly, fall, confront your deepest fears, or relive mundane moments with bizarre twists. You dream. For centuries, dreams have been a source of fascination, fear, and prophecy. Ancient Egyptians believed dreams were messages from the gods. Freud called them the royal road to the unconscious. But what are they, really? And why does our brain, this incredibly complex organ, spend roughly 2 hours every single night conjuring up these elaborate, often nonsensical, internal movies? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on this nightly mystery. We'll explore the leading scientific theories, from memory consolidation to emotional therapy, and even an ancient survival mechanism. Prepare to have your understanding of sleep, and perhaps even your waking life, profoundly reshaped. The nightly housekeeping, memory consolidation. Let's start with one of the most widely accepted theories, dreams as a form of memory consolidation and learning. Think of your brain like a busy office. Throughout the day, it's bombarded with information, new faces, facts, skills, conversations. If it didn't sort through all of this, it would quickly become overwhelmed. That's where sleep, and particularly REM sleep or rapid eye movement, comes in. During REM, your brain is almost as active as when you're awake. It's not just resting, it's working. It's taking all the data from your day, deciding what's important, what to keep, and what to discard. Imagine a librarian meticulously filing away new books, cross-referencing them with existing ones, and occasionally tossing out outdated pamphlets. Your dreams are, in a way, the visual manifestation of this intense neural reorganization. Studies have shown that people who get adequate REM sleep perform better on memory tasks and learning new skills. If you're trying to learn a new language or master a musical instrument, sleeping on it literally helps. Your brain replays experiences, strengthens neural connections, and integrates new information into your existing knowledge base. So that bizarre dream where your boss was a talking pineapple giving you a pop quiz on ancient history, it might just be your brain's quirky way of trying to make sense of a stressful day at work, or perhaps reinforcing some historical facts you encountered by connecting them to something emotionally salient. The emotional therapist processing feelings. Beyond memory, dreams also seem to play a crucial role in our emotional well-being. Have you ever woken up from a particularly vivid, unsettling dream, feeling strangely relieved, or perhaps with a new perspective on a waking problem? This leads us to the emotion regulation theory of dreaming. Our dreams provide a safe, virtual space to process intense emotions, especially negative ones, without the real-world consequences. It's like a psychological pressure release valve. During REM sleep, the brain's prefrontal cortex, responsible for rational thought, is less active, while the amygdala, the brain's emotional center, is highly engaged. This allows us to re-experience emotionally charged events in a less inhibited, more raw way. It's as if your brain is running simulations, trying out different emotional responses to help you cope better when you're awake. So if you're having a nightmare about being chased, it might not be a prophecy. It could be your brain's way of helping you confront and regulate the stress of a looming deadline or a difficult conversation. The ancient sentinel, threat simulation. Now, let's go back to our ancient ancestors. Just as the dark was a predator's playground, the world was a constant source of threats. This brings us to the threat simulation theory, TST, proposed by Finnish philosopher Antti Revonsuo. TST suggests that the primary biological function of dreaming is to simulate threatening events, allowing us to rehearse threat perception and avoidance behaviors in a safe, virtual environment.
In essence, your dreams are a nightly training ground for survival. Imagine an early human dreaming of being chased by a saber-toothed tiger. In the dream, they might practice running, hiding, or fighting. This isn't just random imagery, it's a neurological rehearsal, sharpening the cognitive and emotional mechanisms needed to react effectively to real dangers. This theory is supported by the observation that many remembered dreams across cultures are stressful and filled with negative emotions and conflicts. Children, especially in dangerous environments, often report more threat-filled dreams. It's as if their brains are working overtime to prepare them for the harsh realities of their waking lives. While we might not be dodging saber-toothed tigers anymore, our brains are still running this ancient software. The modern equivalent might be dreaming of failing an exam, losing your job, or being caught unprepared. These dreams, while unpleasant, could be your brain's way of stress-testing your coping mechanisms, ensuring you're mentally agile enough to navigate the complexities of modern life. The unifying mystery, why we still wonder. So why do we dream? Is it to consolidate memories, process emotions, or simulate threats? The truth is, it's likely all of the above, and perhaps much more that we don't yet understand. These theories aren't mutually exclusive. They paint a picture of a brain that is incredibly busy and purposeful, even when we are asleep. Dreams are a testament to the brain's continuous activity, its tireless effort to make sense of our world, and its ancient programming for survival. They're a bridge between our conscious and unconscious, a nightly reminder of the depth and complexity of the human mind. We may have conquered the darkness of the night with light switches, but the darkness within our minds, the realm of dreams, remains a frontier. It's a place where our fears are confronted, our memories are etched, and our emotions are healed. And perhaps it's a place where we are, in a very real sense, preparing for tomorrow.